In this video, we are going to learn how to format a Microsoft Word document. First, open Microsoft Word on your personal computer by pressing the Window key. A search bar appears. Type Word. From the search results, click on Word 2013 icon. This automatically opens the Microsoft Word window. Select Blank Document. Once the program is open, on your keyboard select Ctrl-All. To select all, next is Ctrl-J to justify. From the Home tab, pick a font for your text. Say TWCNMT. Press Enter. Select font size of your choice, say 14. The Enter key. Next, go to the Page Layout tab. At the Page Layout tab, set the margin to normal, which automatically mine is on normal. The top to be 1 inch, bottom 1 inch, left, right 1 inch. Select orientation to be portrait. Next is to choose the page size of your document. We select our page size to be A4. Note that this selection will be determined by the size of paper to be used during printing. There are varieties of page sizes, and the commonly used size is A4. Others include the A3 size, the foolscap size, A5 size, letter size, and so on. Once these settings and adjustments have been set correctly, then proceed with typing your document. Let's say getting started with Microsoft Word. After typing your first paragraph, select Ctrl-S on your keyboard. A menu appears. Select the preferred location or folder to save your document. Say Computer, Desktop. Choose a name for your document or use the default one. So for this, I'm using the default name. Click on the Save button. And your document is successfully saved to your preferred location. Then continue typing your document and select Ctrl-S on your keyboard at interval to automatically save your work.